Good afternoon, students. In this lecture, we are going to solve numericals based on Kc and Kp from the topic chemical equilibrium. First numerical is equilibrium constant Kp for the reaction H2 gas plus I2 gas, it gives twice hydrogen iodide is 130 at 510 Kelvin. Calculate Kc for the reaction twice hydrogen iodide, it gives hydrogen gas plus iodine gas. First of all, we calculate what is the relationship between Kc and Kp for the first reaction. We know that relation between Kc and Kp is equal to Kc into RT raised to delta En. Where what is the value of delta N? Delta N is the number of moles of gaseous products minus number of moles of gaseous reactant. See here, in this reaction, number of moles of gaseous products are 2. First of all, we calculate what is the value of delta N. Delta N is nothing but number of moles of gaseous products, that is 2, minus number of moles of gaseous reactants. What is the number of moles of hydrogen gas is 1 and number of moles of iodine gas is also 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. This is the value of delta N. Then substituting in above equation, then Kp is equal to Kc into value of R, RT raised to 0. We know that power of any term is 0, then it becomes equal to 1. Therefore, Kp is equal to Kc. We know that what is the value of Kp for this reaction is equal to 130. Substituting in this equation, we get value of Kc. Kc is equal to 130 for the first reaction. And then another question, calculate Kc for the reaction twice hydrogen iodide, it gives hydrogen gas plus iodine gas. What is the relationship between these two reactions? In previous lecture we are already studied what is the relation between Kc, characteristics of equilibrium constant. Then for first reaction, what is the value of Kc, or expression for Kc is equal to, for the first reaction, Kc is equal to concentration of hydrogen iodide raised to power 2 divided by concentration of hydrogen gas into concentration of iodine. This is the expression for Kc for the first reaction, say equation number 1. Now Kc for second reaction is equal to, say Kc prime. Kc prime is equal to concentration of H2 into concentration of I2 divided by concentration of hydrogen iodide raised to power 2, say equation number 2. Then by equating these two equations, it indicates that Kc dash is equal to 1 upon Kc. This is, we are already studied in previous lecture. Relation between Kc prime and Kc is equal to, Kc prime is equal to reciprocal of Kc. By substituting value of Kc for the first reaction in the Kc prime, then Kc prime is equal to 1 upon Kc. Value of Kc is equal to 130. By solving this, by using log table, log of 1 minus log of 130, characteristic of 1 0, log of 1 is equal to also 0 minus characteristic of 130 is equal to 2, and what is the log of 13 into 0? By using log table we can write log of 13 into 0 is equal to 4771. By subtracting we get 9 2 2 5 bar 3. Then antilog of 5 to 29 52, antilog of 52 into 2, and in mean difference 9. (33, 36). 33, 36, and this is bar 3. Therefore, our answer is 0.003. Sorry, 0.00 bar 3, 5 to 29. This is your answer for Kc prime. This is the answer. Then next numerical, calculate Kc and Kp. Second numerical, calculate Kc and Kp for the reaction at 295 Kelvin. Reaction is dinitrogen tetroxide is converted into twice nitrogen dioxide. If equilibrium concentrations are, concentration of dinitrogen tetroxide is equal to 0.75 molar and concentration of nitrogen dioxide is equal to 0.062 molar, and here value of R, that is universal gas constant, is given. R is equal to 0.08206 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Here we have to calculate both Kc and Kp. We know that relation between Kc and Kp. Kp is equal to Kc into RT raised to delta N. Therefore, for calculating Kp, first we have to calculate value of Kc. For this reaction, expression for Kc is equal to concentration of NO2 raised to power 2 divided by concentration of N2O4, and here both concentrations are given. Concentration of dinitrogen tetroxide is 0.75 molar and concentration of nitrogen dioxide is equal to 0.062 molar. Substituting this value in equation, we get Kc is equal to 0.062 square divided by N2O4 0.75. Then by solving this by using log table, Kc is equal to 0.062 multiplied by 0.062 divided by 0.75. Log of 0.062 plus log of 0.062 minus log of 0.75. By using log table, we can write log of 62 into 0. characteristic of 62, 0.062 is equal to bar 2, 62 0, 7924 plus again 0.062 characteristic is bar 2, 7924 addition 8, 4, 18, 15 bar 2 plus 1 bar 1 bar 1 bar 2 bar 3 minus 0.72 characteristic is bar 1 and log of 75 into 0 8751 by subtracting 8 minus 1 7 14 minus 5 9 8 minus 8 0 15 minus 8 7 bar 3 antilog of bar 3 7097 antilog of 70 into 9 5117 and mean difference 7 5125 here characteristic is bar 3 therefore our answer is 0.005125 or it can be written as 5.125 into 10 raised to minus 3. This is the value of Kc. Then next is Kp. We know that relation between Kc and Kp. Kp is equal to Kc into RT raised to delta n. First we have to calculate value of delta n. Delta n is the number of moles of gaseous product, that is 2, minus number of moles of gaseous reactant is 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Value of delta n is equal to 1. Then substituting values, Kp is equal to Kc into RT raised to delta n. Then substituting value of Kc is 0.0051 into R 0.08206. It is given temperature. What is the temperature for this reaction is given 295 Kelvin raised to power delta n is equal to 1 is equal to 0.0051 multiplied by 0.08206 multiplied by 295. Log of 0.0051 plus log of 0.08206 plus log of 295 log of 51 into 0 7076. Characteristic is bar 3 51 into 0 7076 plus characteristic bar 2 82 into 0 and 6 9141 plus characteristic of 295 is 2 29 log of 29 in 5 4698 by adding these 15 21, 9, 20, 4 minus 5, bar 1, then antilog of 0, 9 into 1 and 5, antilog of 0, 9, 1, 5, antilog of 0, 9 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, and in 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here characteristic is bar 1, therefore point is here. This is the value of Kp for this reaction. Such a type of numericals will be asked for 3 marks in examination, and this topic is also very important for your competitive examinations such as CET, NEET and JEE. Thank you.